Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I am going to discuss about the candlesticks pattern which forms yesterday, that how it gives you such a great profit that we are done in a live trade, that I'm going to discuss in this video, and how the candlesticks are more powerful while finding the direction of the stock. So that is very important where I'm going to discuss here. And if anyone who watching this video as a new, kindly make subscribe the channel, and those already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I was thankful to you all. Because of you only I'm doing this and giving you such a great, right? So the candlesticks pattern which we are using, more candlesticks pattern I have created. So a lot of question also asking which one to use. So as per your convenience, which is suitable to you, as per your risk and reward ability, so that candlesticks pattern you sure you can use. But now what we are doing here, and based on the candlesticks pattern, so we doing by option buying. Okay, so instead of trading with the future, option buying should be the limited risk, some extent to the premium paid. So another convenient small amount where I am going to invest for the options. So that gives you such a great profit that I am going to discuss here. And yesterday's on our Telegram channel, I have discussed about some candlesticks pattern, and I have shared with my candlesticks pattern. So from there, one of my Telegram follower who taken the trade in a Mindtree, that was a mind-blowing profit. The intraday itself he booked somewhere around 50k plus. And also I was trying to do a trade with a Tech Mahindra today, so that is also giving me such a huge benefit. So based on the candlesticks pattern, so what candlesticks pattern we have scanned, and what happened by yesterday, what kind of candlesticks pattern which forms in that particular stocks. I think Wipro, that was forming a shooting star, right? That has also be the perfect shooting star by yesterday. Let's share with that. Mindtree is forming a separating line bullish kind of pattern. Okay, but Wipro, which forms a shooting star. Wipro and MPSs both are forming a shooting star. That was updated in the morning around 6:30 today, right? So based on that candlesticks, can you see that Wipro how it performed? Just see the this is perfect candle where the low of the particular is 675. Whenever it broken that 675, market is fall down to 651, almost 25 points down from the candle that broken the level. Because when the shooting star candle forms with the red in color, so there is a great opportunity where, but the risk for the trade is somewhere around 675 to somewhere around near about 700, right? 675 to 700, almost 25 point stop loss. So we should expect another 25 point target. So once the market is breaches below that level, the market reaching your 25 points target in the same day. So if I seen that there is a option which is the price of the put option of Wipro around 680, that was started by 12 rupees and went to 32 rupees. That option where it started from 12 and it went up to 32. That is the power where based on the candlesticks pattern. But I was not doing the trade in Wipro because I cannot able to catch it around. I planned this trade by around 21.5, but unfortunately it not triggered and it went up very quickly. But there is an opportunity if you are taking in the position by whenever it breaks below. So there is a good opportunity where we are going to make such a great amount of money using this candlesticks pattern. So that is the important thing where we are discussing about our candlesticks pattern as well as our group. Daily I am updating about that candlesticks, what are the daily candlesticks, because intraday candlesticks pattern may changes randomly. So daily candlesticks pattern, perfect. Shooting star, it suits. So 25 point risk, 25 point reward, 1:1. That was happening in Wipro. And the second stock where I'm going to take the Mindtree, right? So if I'm going to see the Mindtree, what happened in Mindtree? Yes, can you understand what is the candlesticks pattern? So those who are following my YouTube channel, they may understand very well. and also then Telegram also we have updated. So let's show you these two candles are separating line. So this is what a separating line bullish, right? Separating line bullish candlesticks formation where forms at the highest level, correct? So this is the top level where it is forms a separating line. So whenever market goes above this level is a buy, or below this level is sell, correct? And this happened by 4491, and then it coming down to 4327. So almost 150 points down from based on this two candlesticks pattern. That is called separating line bullish kind of pattern, right? But another thing, so if you are watch this, there is a candlesticks pattern again it forms, that is an inverted hammer. When the inverted hammer gives you early entry around 4580, market started by 4646 and it is broken below that level of 4578. From there it is coming down to 4341, almost low is 4328. From that particular point of 4580, market coming to 4328, almost 250 points down in intraday, because the stock is rallied very big. Let us keep on going up. There is a reversal, we are waiting for that. Today it happened and it gives you such a great money. I think I updated that what pattern which forms what the profit we booked somewhere around on our Telegram channel. I have updated that thing. So in that one we booked one of my client who booked somewhere around mine 4,500 put option, almost 58,000 based on the single candlestick pattern, nothing else. We are not using any technical indicators as a buy sell signals or any other indicator. Only the candlesticks pattern gives you clear information about how the market is going to perform. So based on that we are planning a trade, and we have the strategies which is hedging strategies also, we know that. So based on that we are following with hedging strategies that was working well on our intraday even positional, but we are planning the trade by positional. Sometimes it may get the target by intraday, we are going to book that profit. So that is happening today. And TechM, so I have already holding a position and there is a pattern. I think TechM is not coming to any pattern, but this was a spinning top. Initially it gives you buy and again it breaks below the 1500. When it is broken the 1500, this candle, so this is the trade where it is fails. So initially it triggers your entry and somewhere it moves higher, and after that it triggers your stop loss. So reversal entry is present at this point. So we reversed it around 1500. It is down by somewhere around 40 points. That is another great opportunity in TechM. So based on this, I have booked around somewhere around 18,000 rupees profit on this stock. So today's intraday that I have already updated on Telegram, or I can show you directly. So 18,700 is the total profit, which I bought around 61. I sold around 76.6 and it is closed by 79. That is another good opportunity where I get in based on the candlesticks pattern. And the next one, the separating line which you have seen, right? One is Wipro, Mindtree is a separating line. In Shooting Star, we find out two stocks. One is Wipro and another one is Mphasis. So this one is not trading well in options. That's why we are not focusing it out. But even we will check that. So there is a breakdown below the level that is somewhere around. Let's mark that level. The risk is also weak. So the high and low is 3,534 high, 322. Almost 200 point risk is there. But after breaking that level of 3322, that is a level where it is broken today and it coming down to 3169, almost 150 points. But when I check, these options are not liquid, and also we are in the nearing about the physical delivery. So we have to take the physical delivery. That is the major issue. Some companies are allowing to trade, or someone who's not allowing the trade and they are asking a huge margin even we are buying options. So that is the issue. We are not going to focus any buy opportunity in the next 4 days. After this expiry, we are again going to start our option buying strategies that we are going to do. In our next 4 days, we are not going to take any major trades because physical delivery and also nearby the monthly expiry. So everything is there. the time value labs also be very high at right now. So that is what the somewhat where we are booking the profit using the candlesticks pattern. So it may give you some confidence how we can follow that candlesticks pattern. That is why I'm posting this video. So if you like this video, you hit the like button, and if you liked me, you can share to your friends. And if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional strategy. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much.